But how can we benefit from separating letters into groups like this? How can this system be applied to provide greater meaning in our lives? To answer these questions, we must first look to traditional numerology, see what it has to say about the first three numbers, and from there, we'll get a better understanding of how these three numbers influence the letters assigned to them. To more effectively accomplish this goal, before I look at and explain the first letters in each group, I will also look at the group itself, examine the number which presides over it. To provide clarification and a more in-depth look at what meanings each of the three vibrational groups would bring to the letters they rule over. This will provide a better understanding of what each group stands for. From there, more meaning to the letters they influence can be understood. In short, the letters in the first group, because they fall under the number 1, will seek to define a sense of self. The second group of letters, because they are under the number 2, will seek to define the sense of partnership. And the third group of letters, because they fall under the number 3, will seek to define a sense of prosperity or growth. We should now have everything we need to look at the examples I shall lay forth to be able to understand the concepts I shall explain. You now have what you need to understand the concept of Vibeology and are ready to get into the details. Remember to go back and review past videos if you have questions. We should note that our numeric system is also broken up into two different groups, called odds and evens. At this point, it would be easy for us to assume that vowels would be assigned even numbers and the remainder would be dispersed to odd numbers. Interestingly, this isn't the case. As we can see, every odd letter has one vowel assigned to it, A, E, I, and U, but only one even number letter, 6, has a vowel assigned to it, the letter O.
Is this a coincidence of chance? Maybe, but if so, a very suspicious one. Because once the rules of vibrology are applied, we can see how this chance occurrence between two seemingly unrelated issues has worked best for our language because it just happened to turn out this way. So from here, let's take a look at each group in order to better understand them. Then look at each of the letters and provide definitions for each. Visit www.vibeologyvibes.com to listen to the audiobook or use the app.